In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Bully with a controller on PC. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. This process will work if you own Bully Scholarship Edition on Steam. As you can see according to the Steam page, the game has partial controller support highlighted over here, which means that most controllers will be natively picked up and detected by Bully. However, depending on the brand of controller that you have, you might have to do some additional setup. If you want to ensure that you will be able to use a controller on Bully on Steam, what you have to do is open up the Steam launcher, click Steam at the top left corner of the screen, and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open up the Steam settings, and you have to select Controller from the menu. You will be able to enable Steam input for all types of controllers. This is very important, because this will make it so Steam will be able to set up any type of controller that you have to be compatible with Bully. So make sure you enable Steam input for all brands of controllers, specifically generic ones if you don't have an Xbox, PlayStation or Switch controller, and begin testing your device. Make sure that all the inputs are properly set up and see if they are being picked up by your computer. You can also select Set up Device Inputs over here if you wish to go through the process of resetting now. Besides this, you can open up the game with the controller connected to your PC, and if you head into the calibration and advanced settings inside of the game, you will be able to key map each individual bind on your controller. As long as you do this process after enabling the Steam input for all controllers, you will be able to play Bully with any brand of controller that you have. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Bully with a controller on PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.